The Chrysler CCV Composite Concept Vehicle was an ambitious project by Chrysler aimed at redefining affordable transportation for developing markets. Conceived in the early 1990s and initiated under Chrysler President Bob Lutz, the CCV represented a radical shift in automotive design, manufacturing, and cost reduction. The car was designed by Brian Nesbitt, later known for the Chrysler PT Cruiser. Nesbitt drew inspiration from the iconic Citroën 2CV, emphasizing simplicity, practicality, and durability. The CCV was a compact four-door hatchback with a tall body and generous ground clearance, about 200 millimeters, approximately 7.9 inches, making it suitable for rough roads in emerging economies. A key innovation was its body construction. Instead of traditional steel, the CCV used injection-molded plastic made partly from recycled materials such as PT, commonly used in plastic bottles, chopped glass, and rubber. The body consisted of just 4 large panels attached to a lightweight frame using adhesives and bolts. This approach eliminated the need for paint and significantly reduced production costs and assembly time, down to approximately 6.5 hours. Mechanically, the CCV featured a small 0.8-liter, air-cooled, 2-cylinder engine inspired by designs from Briggs & Stratton. Producing around 25 horsepower, it was sufficient for the car's low weight of roughly 544 kilograms, about 1,199 pounds. Performance was modest but adequate, a top speed of about 113 kilometers per hour, about 70 miles per hour, and a 0-96 kilometers per hour, 0-60 miles per hour, time of over 20 seconds. The simplicity of the engine and construction made maintenance easy, even for owners with minimal technical skills. The CCV was first publicly shown in 1997 at the Frankfurt Motor Show. It attracted attention as a precursor to later ultra-low-cost vehicles like the Tata Nano. Chrysler planned production, potentially through joint ventures in countries such as China. However, the project was canceled around 1998 following Chrysler's merger with Daimler-Benz. Strategic restructuring and technical challenges, especially with large-scale plastic molding, halted development. Despite this, the CCV was not a failure. Its manufacturing techniques were later applied to components such as plastic hardtops for the Jeep Wrangler. Today, several CCV prototypes remain preserved and are occasionally exhibited, including at the Museum of Modern Art in New York. The CCV stands as a forward-thinking experiment, an early attempt to create a fully recyclable, low-cost, and durable car for the global market.